So, just to tell you, I have a problem because I have been buying cement for the last 30 years. Every week. For 30 years. Even today. I do construction everywhere. If you go to my farm or I think even sometimes when there's nothing to construct, I break the one that's there so that I can construct another one. So I know what it means. I know what cement means. Yeah? And so investment in this sector is what is going to make us grow. My intention is that for the next 20 years, Kenya is going to be one big construction site. For the next 20 years. So those in the construction industry, you have business. So mujipange. Wale watu wa simiti mujipange. Wale watu wa kwari mujipange. Wale watu wa chuma mujipange. Kila mtu hapo wajipange. That's where we're going to drive it.